Punan siya.
Today, currently fitting. Medyo maliit na to sa akin size.
Bawat na kita, pero di naniniwala sa happy marriage, tsaka happy family. Parang
just got back at the apartment. Just came from one model only at SM Aura. I'm doing some stuff here. Naisip ko mga dapat gawin. Yung papa frame. Framing this artworks up, we have 2 pencil medium drawings. I have 3 combination of marker and watercolor medium paintings, 2 washi tape medium artworks. Really looking for driver to pick up the artworks that I'm going to send to Danica. Video. Molly, at saka si Kuya. Ay, doon sa likod. Ay, hindi sa gitna. What a big present. Hello.
Vlog tayo dyan.
Vlog tayo dyan.
Oh, wow! Gin? Alright! Okay.
So, Mama Mike.
yung hair ko, pero may ano,
Shiny. Oo, tara na. Mami, hahagad na ako dito. Let's go, Mother Earth things. Tapat. Yan, baba. Ang tsura ko. Nagulo na yung buhok ko.
The world by your side. I promise to be your constant companion.
A constant in my life.
Tita, you showed me what kindness, patience, and what beauty looks like. Of all the years I have known you, this is a trait I hope to take from you.
And always supporting each other. Your love isn't just in the ground, but I did want to add that going through today, I knew I was gonna have allergies, but
Get my package for today. Nandito na. Tada! The Jisoo Life handheld Fan Life 9. Meron siyang fan, USB-C charging cable, and a lanyard. Ayan, merong USB manual, cord. Yay! Ang kayo! Ting gray color yung napili ko. Okay? Or ito turn on mo pala muna dito. Narinig yung ba yun? Oh. Let's turn this off and then we'll charge. Homemade chicken biryani for dinner. Ang lagay tayo ng ano.
Parang yung ano niya, yung kanin niya.
Alin?
Hindi sakto sa... Kumabang, no?
Nilagyan ko ng ecosystem, umokay.
Umakay. Ang inano siya nung...
Bukunin na lang daw ni siya yung ano. May hapunan, ng biryani. Good morning. Here at Robinson's Galleria. I'm just here for my NBI clearance appointment. Ba't madami bang maganda?
At saka parang iniisip ko kung match ba siya sa tinta.
Pagod. Ngayon lang ulit. This one is water with vitamin C. McDonald's! Lagos, strawberry.
Ano yun?
Hi! Hi! Hi, cream! Where's beige?
Ano niya? O yung bahay sa kaliwa, yun ang bahay ni Ka Jimmy.
Ay, wait lang, nasa may bypass pa kami paliko sa San Vicente. Pero lakad na kayo.
Hindi kami pinansin.
Aming remote control yun.
Hanggang ngayon nandun pa din ba?
Yeah. Game na!
Gina, kuya!
Di ba nung nasa BGC tayo?
Hi! Sabi mo, hi!
Oh, yun o. Good boy.
Pogi? Hi! Wow! Hello. Kautingin siya. Cab! Lo. Baba. Mama.
Mama?
Mama!
Kita mo tayo dito. Ay, oo, hindi naman pala.
Let's go! Hi! We're back at Plaridel. Yung nakita niyong previous clip ay from Santa Maria, Bulacan. Currently, I'm heading to Roca because massage ako dito ulit. Whenever I stay here, doon ako nagpapamasahe. Tayo ay mag-maximize ng araw. Then tomorrow, we'll going back to our apartment in Taguig. With the ride, yeah. Oh, and anniversary. May pusa.